If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Jeep Compass Limited in Laser Blue Pearl. With halogen quad headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, two-tone paint group, single exhaust with bright tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 43,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, select terrain system, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, a power liftgate, all powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5891A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.